Hello, lovelies. You are welcome to class. Today, we shall be learning about prime factorization. Prime factorization is the process of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. In my previous video, I've explained what prime factors are. The prime factors of a number are factors of such numbers which are prime. While a prime number is a number greater than 1 that is only divisible by itself and 1. Let me solve this example for better understanding. Express 90 as a product of its prime factors to the solution. I shall be using two methods to explain this. And these methods can be used to teach or explain to pupils in upper basic classes like basic 4, 5, and 6. For the first method, I will get an extra paper I can use to calculate and start dividing the given number, which is 90, by each of these prime numbers. These are prime numbers because they can only be divisible by themselves and 1. I'll start dividing by the smallest prime number. If the smallest prime number can divide through the given number without remainder, that means I'll make use of the smallest prime number. But if it can divide through with remainder, I'll move to the next prime number. Just like this. The smallest prime number can divide through 90 without remainder. That means I make use of it. That is 2 times 45. After this, I will circle the last number here, which is 45, and divide by 2. Check if it can divide through. And here it is. 2 cannot divide 45. So I'll move to the next prime number, which is 3. 3 can divide through 45 15 times without remaining. So 3 times 15 will be written under this 45. Just like this. I will circle the last number, which is 15, and divide this last digit by 3 to check if it can divide through. And here we are. 3 can divide 15 5 times without remaining. That is 3 times 5. The 3 times 5 will be written under this 15. Like this. The last digit here is 5. And this 5 can only be divisible by itself and 1. For that reason, I will stop. It means these are the prime factors. And write the prime factors out. 2, 3, 3, then 5. Just like this. So, to the second method. I will write the given number out like this. Make an horizontal and vertical line this way. Write my given number there like this. And start dividing by each of these prime numbers. The prime number that divides through without remainder will be used, while the prime number that has remainder will not be used. But you have to begin with the least prime number, which is 2. Here, 2 can divide 90 45 times. This 2, which is the prime number, will be written out here, like this, while the number of times it can divide through will be written here, like this. Then you rule under this. And divide this number, which is 45, by 2 again to see if it can divide through. But 2 cannot divide 45 without having a remainder. For this reason, I'll move to the next prime number, which is 3. I'll divide 45 by 3. And 3 can divide through 45 15 times without remainder. 3 will be written outside here, while 15 will be written inside under 45, like this. Then I'll rule again and divide 15 by 3 again. And here, 3 can divide 15 without remainder 5 times. 3 will be written outside, while 5 will be written inside under 15. I will then rule like this and divide 5 by 3 to see if it can go through. But here, 3 cannot divide through 5 without remainder. So I'll move to the next prime number, which is 5. Meaning I've used 2, I've used 3, so I move to the next number, which is 5. And 5 divided by 5 equals 1 without remainder. So 5 will be written outside and 1 will be written inside under 5, like this. And once you get to 1, you stop calculating and write out the prime factors. Just like this. As you can see, we arrived at the same answer. You can use any of the methods. Was this helpful? Please do well to like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and follow my Facebook page for more educating content. Thank you.